Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. I'm so excited to have you here because in today's video, I'm going to share something totally opposite to what other people tell you to do. All right. So you're going to make money literally starting from $10 a day to $20 a day to way up to $200 a day from email marketing. But here's the difference. Other people will tell you to do email marketing in order to make money, but I'm going to share how you can make money from other people's email marketing. You don't do email marketing, other people's will do. Because I know my viewers, especially the beginners, hate email marketing. And it's not your fault. Email marketing is kind of boring until you start getting results. So did you like our video? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video. And the next video will be super awesome. Yeah. And of course, I want to assure that email marketing is the most impactful marketing model for our 7-figure business and for all our businesses. Okay. And it generates the most money for us, and it will help you too, but you don't have to do it because I'm going to share a unique model, business model. But at the same time, if you stick to the end of the video, you have a special reward. I want to reward you, all my viewers, for taking your time and watch our videos. So we're going to share everything we learned so far from email marketing. So we're going to give you 7 different autoresponders that you can use 100% free and start making money. We're going to give you 100 different templates that you can put information and start your emails. Yeah. I mean, you can start email marketing without ever writing an email with these templates. We will show you how you can make money in 16 different ways, how you can make money from email marketing, and so much more. Okay, so please stay tuned till the end of the video. This is a special bonus for us. Whether you use email marketing today or not, maybe tomorrow you'll think that you want it, you want to use it. That time this will be useful. Okay, so but for today, I'm going to share how you can make money with a company that pays you for opening their emails. All right. And there are 2 systems to make money in this model. One is under your control, that you can decide how much you want to scale up. Another one is under their control, so they decide how much money you can make. So the part that is under their control, leave it to them. But the part that you have full control of, you can scale it up. But at any point you want to start your own email marketing, you can use our resources that we are going to share at the end of the video or somewhere before the end of the video. And you can use those resources to start your email marketing journey today and start making money today. Okay, you ready for this? Let's do this. By the way, in case you like our videos, we hope you really do, because we put a lot of effort on our videos to make sure you actually get benefited and you actually start making money. Or even if you are already making money, you can scale up even more from our videos. So in case you like them, please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you first when we upload our next video. And you know, our videos are better, always better than the one we posted before. Okay. Yeah, let's do this. All right, we are on volutic.com or volatic.com, whatever you call it, and things are going to change here because the rule is people who send emails make the money and people who read emails spend the money. But in this case, it's going to be the opposite. We are going to read emails and make money using volutic.com. That's how it works. So first you should have a look at the sales page or the landing page, what they're talking about, and go to FAQ or any other details they might have, especially about what to do, how you can get paid, how to withdraw money, where the money will be sent to, etc., and the interval of their payments. Now at this point, when we created our account, they pay through faucetpay.io and they pay through Bitcoin, which is exciting. The minimum payout is 20 cents, which is okay. And you can make money in 2 different ways: by opening and reading their emails, and also by referral. Now, by reading their emails, the limitation is when they send you email, you open that email and you make money. But referral is where you can control. Now, first you go to the sign up section and use account name, email address, passwords, and if you have any referrer, use the referrer. After you check all the boxes, click the register button. Oh, there is an issue with email address. Now, once you create an account and register, they will send you an email. You should click the link in the email to activate your account. Once you are done, go to the login link, use login. They might send you a verification code in your email. Use that code, click the confirm button, and enter your dashboard. Here you will see how much money you made, any purchases you have made, or any commissions you have made. And you will have your referral link, which is basically the way to control your income. The more people you can refer to the system, the more money they make and the more money you make. Everything is pretty simple and straightforward here. I highly recommend you use Maven in case you don't have your own website, and use your referral links in the contents. Talk about the benefits, how easy it is. Check all the sections when you are inside, how to deposit, how to transfer, how to withdraw, direct, indirect, links and tools, the people, the leaderboard where it shows the other earners who are making money, their names and their countries. Lots of people are making money using this platform, and you can do it too. And yes, the best way to make money from this platform is to use your own website. And I highly recommend you use Maven, because Maven allows you to hijack other people's content 100% legally and turn into your content and your website without you spending for domain, for hosting service. And you can make money like these people as well. Super easy. Oh, by the way, in case you want to start your own email marketing, whether it's now or in the future, link in the description will give you every resources you possibly need to start a super profitable email marketing campaign. By the way, make sure you read all their rules and regulations and their policies. Like, you must log in your account at least one time per week to keep it active. Otherwise, it will expire and you will lose all your earnings. This is very interesting and important. You must click at least one email ad per week. Otherwise, your account will become inactive and you will lose all your earnings. This is bad, but you should know before you start using it. Now, how much do I earn? All these percentages. And lastly, we pay you USD1 for every referral when your referral earns $1. Did you like this video? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video, and we'll see you in the next video.